Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So first of all, I would like to apologize for not making the videos for a very long time. I really had a very busy schedule. So from now, I'll definitely try to make the videos every day as like I used to do. And in this video, especially, we'll be discussing what is happening in the market and what we can expect. And also with the help of the data points, what the big guys are doing, and also like how things are getting manipulated and what we can do about it. So first of all, though I did not post the video, so I posted the EOD analysis. I posted the EOD analysis on most of the days. I won't say every day. Most of the days I posted it on X or Twitter, and also under the community tab on YouTube. So, and also today I posted a trade here, that is Sensex 84,000 C bought at 220. Just go and check 1107, and if you go and check the charts, so of Sensex here, so 1107 right at the bottom here. Okay, so I notified this to the members at 1106. So this 1106 220. Okay, so this price went more than 440. It went more than 2x, but again I closed very early at 270. So anyways, again no regret, but I posted last week as well, I think on Bank Nifty expiry day here somewhere I posted this one. So Bank Nifty I posted last week, which also went correct. So I did my best. If my analysis really helped you, so don't forget to put a like and encourage me. So anyways, now let's talk about what manipulations are going on in the market and what is actually going on in the market. And due to the Fed 50 basis points rate cut, so what we can expect. So the very first thing is that you should understand what happens while these rate cuts are done. So the big banks or whatever, the big financial institutions, they borrow money. Okay, so now they can borrow money at a lower interest rate. Okay, so naturally what they would do, they would borrow more money, and with that money what they would do, they won't sit with that money. They have to do it, like they have to invest it somewhere. Either they have to invest it in the market, or they have to give it as a loan or something. So whatever, they have to they are borrowing money at a lower interest rate, and now they would be distributing it. Okay, so now what is happening is that, as you saw today, FI is bought for 14,000 crores. Okay, CR. So this is not usual. This is what will happen now. That is, more money will be pumped into the market, and this is the major reason. So things would be looking like buy on dip for now. And but again, I'm not saying that every day it would be buy on. Yes, of course, meanwhile corrections would happen, and mostly I'm saying that buy on dip is the scenario we will be seeing going forward. Okay, so this is the very first thing. The second thing is that premium. Okay, so premium is a variable which has a high weightage in most of the traders trading setup, whatever you say. So it's not in mine, or just in mine or something. Most of the traders, they look at premium, they look at change in OI, and also sometimes IV or whatever. The rest of the things are secondary. Majorly the traders look at premium and the open interest. So now let me tell you what is happening actually. The very first thing is that open interest still sometimes working, sometimes it's not working on the call side, because call buying is being done and market is shooting up, and the call writers have to unwind. But let's just leave it. Majorly, let's come to the premium. Okay, so the premium, I mentioned it on Bank Nifty expiry day. Okay, so here if you look at here on Bank Nifty expiry day, I posted it here. Bank Nifty went up by more than 100 points, but the premium at 52,400 also went up, or it wasn't going down. Okay, by 1 point. Bank Nifty was up and the premium was also up at 52,400. Now people would naturally think that put buyers are active because prices are increasing, and now you would see that no, Bank Nifty did not fall. Okay, it did not fall like today or Sensex did or something. So Bank Nifty like just went up. Okay, it fell but not heavily. Okay, so again, as you can see, like even like most of the days on FinNifty expiry day also, like the last like 14:55 I remember, FinNifty fell to like 20 to 30 points, but the put premiums did not increase. Okay, then 3 p.m. candle went to the same level and the premiums just doubled. Okay, from like I think at the money premiums it was like at around 5 to 6, it went to 20. Okay, so premiums are being like manipulated, and and even like this is not only on FinNifty expiry day. Most of the days market if falls, if you are a put buyer, you would be like lucky. Okay, if you are lucky enough, then put premiums will increase, otherwise put premiums won't increase. Okay, it's not about even like predicting the direction correctly. It has now become like even if you're correct while market is going down, even if you are correct, so half of the times you would be lucky enough to find that though market is going down, put premiums are not increasing. Okay, so this is the very this is the very painful situation that the bears are specifically facing, and what would you do like as an option buyer? Like if you think that market will go down, if your analysis is saying is market will go down, you will naturally buy puts, you won't buy call. And market is going down but put premiums are decaying or like it's not increasing. Okay, so this is the scenario what is happening, and that's what I have to work on. Okay, so what basically happens is that those who have been following me knows that like in the month of February I had to change my I have to change codes in my setup. So there what happened was I was going wrong for 3 to 4 days, and I also like I was like surprised what is happening in the market. So then I figured out what is happening, I changed in the code and it beautifully worked. And also like this August month, last month, it was a fantastic month for the option buyers. So what was happening, whichever side we like we thought that like market will move, market absolutely moved in that direction. And what happens is that it actually being done to attract the buyers, and once the buyers comes in the market, the next month they get slaughtered. Why? Because the move will come, premium won't increase, or majorly the consolidation would happen. Even the first 2 hours also, mostly we are seeing consolidation, and though market is anyway going up or down, today just leave for today, like Sensex just leave it. Okay, it's a 1 out of 4 days, so 90% of the days, look at there, that is for the first 2 hours premium is decaying like it's the last 2 hours. Okay, so I mean the September month has been very very pathetic for the option buyers, and that's why I am being very careful for the first 1.5 hours or 2 hours, and then like I'm going, and most of all like I'm not like most of the days I did not trade also, like as I posted on X as well. So I did not trade also, like so for let's say for the past 2 weeks I have only traded half of the days. Okay, so the reason being is that like February I went wrong, and after that I fixed my setup. This time I did not even trade. Okay, so why would I go wrong? I just got the signal that a setup or the variable setup has changed. So market changes the setup. Okay, so like 5 to 6 months or maybe sometimes 4 months interval, things change, and you have to change accordingly. You have to change your setup accordingly. It won't work. Your old setup won't work. Specifically like what I do, I catch these big option buyers, so the HFT indicator. So there I had to change the code, and now like today it beautifully worked. Okay, so today like in the morning as you saw, like we went long, and after that like this trade was posted. Like look at here, that is 83,500. P was shorted at 100, and then it just slipped to 65, closed at 65, and shifted to 83,600, where I shorted it at 90, and that I closed it at 50. Okay, so Then after that, like here, look at here, 12, 11 put buyers were active. Okay, so we got the put buyers as well, and so the move was delayed. You can't do anything, but we got a very nice return, 110 to 141. We just got a nice return, 84,000 PE was there. Okay, so sorry, closed at 140. And then 84,440 I also shorted, but at that moment the premium wasn't decreasing. And then after that I said that like things will things are being manipulated, and so it will start at 1:30 p.m. So the decaying on the call side, because their call riders were also active. So anyways, it exactly started like falling from 13 like 1:30 p.m. and yes, so I had to leave, but yes, I did say that. And our H50 indicator beautifully worked today, catching the call buyers and also catching the put buyers. And yes, so the thing is that let's look I hope going forward it's going to work, and so this setup will be like working for might be like 3 to 4 months, and we have to take the full advantage of it, and then again scenario will change and we will have to change our setup again. So anyways, coming down here, that is the we changed our setup last on like the code in the setup, so last in the month of February. So anyways, talking about here Nifty also, like in the morning some big guys were shorting, and that's the reason like Nifty also fell. Bank Nifty, I started this little late. I was experimenting with the Bank Nifty code today. So those members who saw that the Bank Nifty money flow was also on in the morning, it was just getting updated after the scores of yesterday. So there also the Bank Nifty scores were heavily negative, and reason why like things fell. And then after that again the things fell because it was there to give exit to the big guys, okay, and nothing else. And yeah, now let's talk about here, that is so overall I mean US markets are flat, and again as I said, like FIs will be buying for now, and because and also the big institutions will be buying for now. And now let's talk about the other data points, that is let's talk about the levels. So talking about levels, Sensex 83,000 going below 83,744, 82,876, and 82,033, 81,029. Okay, so 81,029. So these are the levels going below, and going above we would have to consider the option chain. Otherwise, I mean it's at all time high, you can't have any levels to draw there. So talking about Nifty again, going below 25,501, 25,295, 25,177, and majorly like the other levels were also posted on X. Talking about Bank Nifty, 53,000 and 34, 52,405, and 51,075. Okay, so the other levels were posted on X. And talking about Fin Nifty, 24,053, 24,349, and yeah, the other levels were posted earlier. So now let's go to the option chain. So option chain, if you look at mid-cap Nifty, we have expiry on Monday, but if you see here, that is 13,300, 13,200 can give resistance. And also like mid-cap Nifty, Fin Nifty, these are the indices where mostly positions are taken on the expiry days. Nifty, talking about Nifty here, we have like mostly like writing, put writing has been done, 25,500 and 25,600, as you can see, majorly at 25,500 going below. And also like above we have like 26,000 call writers are there, but you see call writers are unwinding there. So now talking about here, that is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you look at here, that is again 53,000 can give support, like majorly put writers are concentrated there, and the next support may come at like 52,000, but again so 53,000, let's look at the next support. And going above like 54,000 is there, but again in the money call writers are unwinding, out of the money also are unwinding, so we should be a little bit careful while shorting calls. And now let's go to the final data points, that is the EOD data. EOD data is a little bit contradictory. So look at here, that is the FIs have made long positions, huge long positions in the futures, But the PropDex, they have made huge short positions in the future. So this is the contradictory data points. But let's look at option chain. Option chain, if you look at here, that is here. FIIs, they have done put buying and they have also done call buying. I would say they have done, like, look at the call writing and put writing. So it's like put writing they have done. So I would consider that the extra put buying has been done to hedge the call, to hedge the futures long positions, and put writing has been done. Okay, so on the put side I would consider them as put writers, and on the call side they are called buyers. Talking about PropDex, they have also done majorly put writing. As you can see, they have done put writing and they have done call buying. So PropDex on the option chain, they are bullish. Overall, FIIs are also, like, as you can see, I would again consider them as put writers and call buyers. So call buying is almost double the amount of call writing. So I would definitely consider them as call buyers and put writers. Talking about PropDex, PropDex, they are like put writers and call buyers. Okay, so that's the thing. And as you can see, they are like totally like on the put writing side rather than on the call writing side. So that's what we also saw in the option chain. And but only the contradictory data points is this, that is someone like some big prop shorted in the futures. Okay, so let's look at how so futures, it's contradictory, option chain totally bullish. Okay, and so we have to see where like market is heading towards. And also, as I like mentioned, that is due to the rate cut, inflation means like I mean the prices would go up, and I mentioned the reason, and that's what I feel, that's what my analysis is saying. The only contradictory point is the futures, so we should be a little bit careful. And also, like, talking about on the 1-day charts, I mentioned some like bearish, like, let's go to the 1-day chart. So Nifty, so I mentioned some like bearish, as you can see, like bearish divergence in the RSI, but it has been negated here. Okay, and also like Bank Nifty, it has been negated here. So technical analysis, you know that I already said that I don't follow technical analysis, just like for those who follow, I sometimes post it, but you know, when it gets negated, you draw these lines, and if it crosses it, the analysis gets negated. And so we shouldn't follow that. And again, so that's it. That's my analysis. If my analysis are helping you all, don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And if you want such dedicated analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to these money flow indicators and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And also don't forget to take the advantage of the coupon code in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.